2026 Mercedes Zetros 6x6 motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution on 6 wheels. Engineered to dominate every terrain while offering unmatched luxury, this latest version of the legendary Zetros line is a game-changer in the world of high-end overlanding and motorhome experiences. Mercedes-Benz has taken the rugged DNA of the Zetros and fused it with a private jet-inspired lifestyle, giving birth to what many are calling the king of the roads. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2026 Zetros 6x6 motorhome an icon in its category. Exterior design. A bold statement from the very first glance, the 2026 Zetros 6x6 demands respect. The front design is aggressively redesigned, showcasing a bold new grille, turbocharged LED headlamps, and an armored style bumper that announces its presence like no other. The yellow and black paint combination adds a unique visual signature, glowing luminously under the lights like a moving fortress of luxury. The king-size build, raised suspension, and massive off-road tires make it clear that this vehicle isn't just for show. It's built to conquer deserts, mountains, and highways alike. The side and rear views are equally impressive. From the rear, you'll notice dual turbo exhausts, heavy-duty steel bumpers, and luminous LED taillights integrated beautifully into the custom-built motorhome shell. There are external compartments, ladders, and even a rooftop observation deck, all executed with precision and luxury. Interior, a private mansion on wheels step inside, and the Zetros transform from a rugged powerhouse to a serene palace. Mercedes has left no stone unturned in crafting a truly luxurious interior. The cabin space is more akin to a 5-star suite than a traditional motorhome. High-grade leather recliners with massage functions, a handcrafted wooden dining area, and a private bedroom with a king-size bed are just the beginning. Ambient LED lighting runs through the ceiling and along the walls, with customizable settings to set the perfect mood whether you're working, relaxing, or entertaining guests. The full-size kitchen is equipped with smart appliances, including an induction cooktop, a built-in fridge, and a microwave oven, all seamlessly blended into a marble top counter. The entertainment setup includes a retractable 60-inch smart TV, Dolby Atmos surround sound, and a high-speed satellite internet connection. For those who prefer to stay off-grid, the Zetros include solar panels on the roof and a powerful lithium battery system that ensures uninterrupted comfort wherever you park. Driving and performance. Power meets control under the hood. The 2026 Zetros 6x6 is powered by a massive 8-liter inline 6-turbo diesel engine, producing around 520 horsepower and over 2,400 newton-meters of torque. Coupled with a high-performance 6x6 drivetrain and advanced suspension system, this beast glides over rough terrain with surprising smoothness. Whether it's a steep mountain pass or endless sand dunes, the Zetros handles it all with supreme confidence. The cockpit is equally luxurious and futuristic. A fully digital dashboard displays real-time performance metrics, navigation, and camera feeds from all around the vehicle. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped and feature-loaded, with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and all the tech you'd expect from a modern Mercedes. Technology and features. Beyond expectations, Mercedes-Benz has gone all in on technology in the 2026 Zetros 6x6. From biometric entry to voice-controlled systems, every inch of this motorhome is integrated with smart automation. The lighting, climate, music, and even blinds can be adjusted with simple voice commands or from a central touchscreen panel. Safety features are also top-notch. 360-degree cameras, emergency braking systems, tire pressure monitors, and off-road traction control come standard. For security, the Zetros includes armored glass, motion sensors, and a digital lock system that can be accessed remotely. Luxury lifestyle. The Zetros experience what truly sets the 2026 Zetros 6x6 motorhome apart is its commitment to offering a complete lifestyle experience. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's made for adventurers who refuse to compromise on luxury. Imagine parking beside a mountain lake or a desert dune, stepping into a fully air-conditioned, marble-floored lounge with your favorite music playing and a fresh coffee brewing. That's the Zetros experience. You're not just traveling, you're living large on every road, every path, every remote destination. The inclusion of high-end finishes, custom furniture, and smart engineering makes the Zetros feel more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Final verdict, the 2026 Mercedes Zetros 6x6 motorhome is a masterpiece that blends extreme capability with unrivaled luxury. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's built for those who dare to dream bigger. Whether you're a digital nomad, an overlanding enthusiast, or someone looking to make a powerful statement on the road, the Zetros delivers on every front. It's not just transportation, it's transformation. From the aggressive front face to the glowing rear and the ultra-luxurious interior, the Zetros 6x6 redefines what a motorhome can be. Mercedes has truly changed the game with this one. Rating 10 out of 10, the ultimate king of motorhomes.